Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up two-factor authentication on crypto. This crucial security measure adds an extra layer of protection to your account. It involves a unique 6-digit code generated by an authenticator app, which changes every 30 seconds. Enabling two-factor authentication is essential for safeguarding your digital assets and ensuring secure transactions on the platform. We will walk through each step to get you set up confidently. To begin, open your crypto.com app and log into your account. From the main screen, locate and tap on the Settings icon. Within the Settings, find and select Security, then proceed to Two-Factor Authentication. Here, you will see the option to enable two-factor authentication. Tapping this will present you with a unique QR code or a secret key, which is your next step in securing your account. Now, you will need an authenticator application on your mobile device, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Open your chosen authenticator app and select the option to add a new account. You can either scan the QR code shown on your crypto.com app screen or manually enter the provided secret key. Once linked, your authenticator app will immediately begin generating a new 6-digit code every 30 seconds. With your authenticator app generating codes, switch back to the crypto.com application. You will be prompted to enter the current 6-digit code displayed in your authenticator app. Be sure to enter it quickly, as it refreshes every 30 seconds. After entering the code, confirm your action. Congratulations, your crypto.com account now has enhanced security with two-factor authentication successfully enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.